Hola, Limpia family.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're diving into a household staple that's also a cleaning powerhouse, vinegar.
That's right. We're exploring how to clean with vinegar.
Let's get started.
Vinegar isn't just for salads. It's an incredible natural cleaner that can tackle various cleaning tasks around your home.
So, grab that bottle of vinegar from your kitchen and let's make cleaning magic happen.
First up, an all-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Use this solution to clean countertops, surfaces, and even glass. It's effective, affordable, and leaves your home smelling fresh. Vinegar is an excellent deodorizer. Place a bowl of vinegar in a room to neutralize odors. You can also use it to freshen up your garbage disposal by running some vinegar through it.
Let's tackle that microwave. Fill a bowl with equal parts water and vinegar. Pop it in the microwave and heat for a few minutes. The steam will loosen grime, making it easy to wipe away. Say goodbye to stubborn stains.
Yes, even your dishwasher needs some love.
Pour a cup of vinegar into an empty dishwasher and run a cycle. This helps remove built-up soap scum and keeps your dishwasher smelling fresh.
Cutting boards can harbor bacteria. Wipe them down with straight vinegar to disinfect and neutralize odors. It's a simple way to keep your kitchen tools clean and safe.
Accidents happen, especially on carpets.
Mix vinegar with water, blot the stain, and watch it disappear. Vinegar is a fantastic natural stain remover.
Is your coffee not tasting as good as it used to?
Time to clean your coffee maker.
Run a mixture of vinegar and water through a brewing cycle to remove mineral deposits and revive the flavor.
For streak-free windows, mix vinegar with water and a drop of dish soap. Spray the solution on your windows and wipe away with a microfiber cloth.
Enjoy the view without those annoying streaks. Fridges can get a bit funky. Wipe down shelves with a mixture of water and vinegar to eliminate odors and keep things smelling fresh. Your veggies will thank you. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to clean with vinegar.
It's an easier-friendly, budget-friendly way to keep your home sparkling clean. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your Limpia familiar.
Let us know in the comments if you have any favorite vinegar cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning everyone.